Introducing the Comet Elite GP Pro CC or CKRS one-piece racing suit. This high-quality suit is made of 1.4 millimeter thick cow or kangaroo hide outer shell for race-quality performance and protection. Its perforated leather panels are on the front torso, thighs, and side waist for maximum airflow. It includes flex panels above the knee, at the lower back, waist, back of shoulders, above the elbows for better fit and maneuverability. It has a solid leather outer calf panels, as well as back of thigh and back of shoulders and lower back. The custom zippered sleeves and calves are designed for a better fit. And has breathable, flexible material at the back of each calf. The Comet Elite GP Pro also contains the Comet Velcro lockdown at the neck, and has advanced air intakes at the top of each shoulders for more comfort. It includes large titanium skid plates at the shoulders, elbows, and front of knee, as well as adjustable leg slide pads. It includes CE approved protectors covering the spine, at the shoulder, covering the entire forearm, outer thigh, and knees. Neoprene is used for comfort and maneuverability at the neck. The entire suit is used using Kevlar stitching, including stretchable shoulder key protect Kevlar for maximum mobility at the chest and forearms, as well as the inner leg and the Y shape in the crotch for ease of movement. It has a large, latest designed aerodynamic neck pump for better protection and airflow to the rider's back. It has a removable inner liner to keep you dry and comfortable. And we also carry a range of accessories to make this suit even more enjoyable for your wear.